وذكر فإن الذكرى تنفع المؤمنين.
We as Muslims have a higher responsibility than any other faith tradition. We as Muslims have to answer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We as Muslims have been appointed by Allah to be witnesses unto mankind. We are shuhada'a ala nas. We are witnesses to mankind. What does a witness do? A witness speaks the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. A witness speaks the bitter truth. A witness does not care about the repercussions, the ramifications of speaking the truth. The witness must testify to the truth, regardless of what happens at the trial, regardless of what the verdict is. The witness must testify to the truth. And Allah has given us a truth. And that truth is the religion of Islam. And embodied in the religion of Islam is morality. It is akhlaq. It is haya. It is decency. And we are, and I say this bluntly, the last religious civilization that is sticking to its roots here and not capitulating to the whims and desires of modern society. It is sad to point out that the bulk of other Abrahamic religions, we say this wallahi with a sense of sadness. We say this wanting them to have stood up, because in the end of the day, they have more right to this culture than we do. That is a fact. Yet they have capitulated and they have acquiesced and they have surrendered by and large. So if they have surrendered, well then even more so we are going to stand up, and by Allah we shall never surrender on this reality. We are going to stand up and preach the truth, no matter how bitter, no matter what the consequences are. This type of hedonism, this type of sensuality, this type of licentiousness and animalness, this type of foolishness, we need to stand up and preach loudly and clearly. Enough is enough. And we're not going to allow our children and our families to be corrupted by what is happening in the broader society. And yes, that is your laws. You do as you please, but we will speak and we will tell you what you are doing is wrong, even if it's to yourselves. Even if it's to yourselves, we have no right to stop you. We have no right to legislate your own laws, but we do have the right to stand up and preach. And we have the God-given responsibility to be of those who are preaching the religion of the prophets and morality as enshrined by all Abrahamic religions.